Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Brief with your one and only Kenny Simpson with the Simpson team. This week, I wanted to talk about inflation. Just this morning, the inflation numbers came out higher to 8.3. What does that mean for you and I in real estate? Well, that means for sure, Mr. Jerome Powell is going to be hiking rates, probably more aggressively than we all thought. That consumer has more money and keeps spending, so inflation is not coming down. Remember, that inflation doesn't even include in energy, which is crazy because you and I are probably paying higher electric bills. I know I am, so not sure about you. So HELOCs, credit cards, all that stuff's going up. Also, as they shoot this, interest rates have gone back up. We kind of had a peak of interest rates when the 10-year was at 3.5, and then we came back down to 2.5, and now we're getting close to 3.5. So interest rates are peaking back up again. Is that slowing the buyer down? What's that doing? We'll have to see here in the near future. What else I'd like to talk about is what's going on with the buyers. I'm seeing a lot of buyers. Is it because summer's over? I really think that's what it is. They're coming out. They're putting offers in. They're calling me back. More pre-approvals. So people are done with summer. Summer break's over. They're starting to buy properties, and we're starting to see that here. So I'm not sure what you guys are seeing it. I'm seeing that here. And the last thing I want to talk about is the conforming rates. This was mentioned last week on the rate, when we sent out the email on the rate sheet. I want to mention again, 715, the new conventional loan amount, and almost up to 1.1 million in LA County. So depending on what county you are, reach out to me, let me know. But from 647 to 715, we can do them right now. Not every lender can do this. We can help your clients out right now. That's the difference probably of 0.5% from conventional to high balance rates. So that little bucket right there of $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 is making a huge impact. It will. So if I can help you or your clients or anybody else, let them know. This is huge. So if you have a client that says, oh, I need to go up to $700,000 and I want to put 5% down, but those rates are killing me. Now they can qualify for the conventional. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great week. We'll see you next week.